Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives on OnePlus tab. To do this, we'll need to open a RAR app I shown you previously on how to download, locate the files that you want to extract, and click on them. Here you can press on the arrow pointing up button or select each of the file and then click on it, otherwise it will unpack entire archive. So let's do that. Then we can see extraction options. You can customize them however you like, but it's not necessary. Click on browse to change the designation where the files should go. In this case, let's put them in a music folder. Click on OK and your files should be extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.